The company Ikich sent me 2 products to test out for you guys. They sent me an electric tea kettle and an electric griddle. Alright, so we are going to test out this electric griddle. So we are going to turn it on. There's the on, but you can turn it to whatever level you want. I'm going to turn it to level 2, level 5 is the hottest. And then I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. And then wait for it to heat up. So now we are gonna add some zucchini, and this zucchini is straight from my garden that I picked, and I just added a little bit of olive oil on it, and some salt and pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. And I usually grill this on the barbecuer, this recipe, so I actually want it on this side. And this is a nice, healthy option. And so on this side, we are gonna cook some chicken breasts. So right here, I just have some chicken breasts, and I'm gonna put them right on. And now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice on it. And then my friends at Fresh Jack sent me this citrus pepper that I'm gonna put on it. You can find their link below. Now it's time to check on these. Let's see, yep, perfect grill mark. So I'm just gonna turn them over so that they grill on both sides. And then I'm gonna turn these breasts over. And if you see they're golden brown, that's exactly how I want them. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. A little lemon juice and a little bit of the citrus pepper. This stuff smells so good. Chicken breasts don't take very long. So if you can see, they're perfectly cooked. And some of the zucchini is done. But that's all it takes. This is really simple to use, and it's nice because I can use it on my kitchen island. All right, so now we're gonna test out our electric tea kettle from Ikich. So it's pretty simple. You just press this button to open, which I like it because it has a little button. So this has like a little strainer to catch things. See? And then you just lock it back in place. It has a little bottom part. You can wind up your cord at the bottom, at the base. I don't really use tea kettles that much for tea unless I'm sick. Then it's in the iCard above, home remedy tea. But we usually use tea kettles for making coffee or for Jello shots or for hot chocolate. All right, so you can see I put some water in here. Just gonna close the lid. You'll just wanna press this button. Hard to see, this button right here. If you press this button and there's no water in here, it will not turn on. But so we wanna turn it on. And if you can see, it lights up, which is kind of cool. It only takes, I think it said 2.5 minutes to boil. So if you heard, it just turned off on its own. So once it gets a certain temperature, then it will turn off. All right. And a little bit of peppermint schnapps since it is getting closer to the holidays, right? And stir it. I feel like I should still put some marshmallows in it, right? And as you can see, the electric griddle and electric tea kettle are super easy to use. And if you'd like to know where to purchase these, I will link them in the description box below. And I would like to thank Ikich for sending me these products. They are so nice to use. And this definitely gets hot. Let's see if I'm gonna burn my mouth. Yes, not very smart. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see any more videos, click this link or this link. If you'd like to subscribe, click my face. And remember, I'm always here to help you make beautiful memories through food. Bye, and see you in the next video.